Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your financial position with UBS, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all relevant documents, including bank statements, investment portfolios, and liabilities. Calculate your net worth by subtracting total liabilities from total assets. Identify your financial goals, both short-term and long-term. Research UBS's services and tools available for financial recovery. Schedule an appointment with a UBS financial advisor. During the meeting, discuss your financial goals and share your current financial assessment. Ask about UBS's recovery strategies tailored to your specific needs. Inquire about their investment options and how they can align with your risk tolerance. Explore the wealth management services UBS offers for diverse portfolios. Discuss potential budgeting strategies to help you manage expenses. Ask about customizable financial planning tools that could aid in your recovery. Request a risk analysis to better understand your investment positions. Evaluate any tax implications related to your current investments or recovery plans. Review the available educational resources provided by UBS for self-empowerment. Consider utilizing UBS's market insights to make informed decisions. Follow through by developing a personalized action plan with your advisor. Commit to regularly reviewing your financial progress and adjusting strategies as needed. Stay informed about market changes and how they may impact your financial position. Revisit your financial advisor periodically for updates and guidance. Ensure open communication with your advisor for ongoing support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.